Job postings are scattered across thousands of sources: LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, company career pages, and dozens of ATS platforms. If you need a complete picture of who's hiring for what, checking each source manually takes hours, and you still miss most of them. TheirStack aggregates millions of job postings from over 328,000 sources into a single searchable interface. Let me show you how it works. Go to Job Search and click Search. By default, it shows jobs posted in the last 15 days in your country. Each row shows the job title, company, location, date posted, salary when available, remote status, and the original source. Let's build a real search. First, add a job title filter. You can add multiple titles, one per line. I'll enter Data Engineer, Analytics Engineer, and Data Platform Engineer. The operator is set to contains any of, so it matches any title that includes any of these terms. Every filter has an operator. Contains any of does partial text matching. Is any of matches exactly, and does not contain lets you exclude, like removing interns or junior roles. Next, add a job technology filter. This catches any job that mentions a specific technology in the posting, not just in the title. I'll select Snowflake, Databricks, and BigQuery. This is broader than searching by title alone. A software engineer posting that requires Snowflake experience will match too. You can also search the full posting text. A software engineer title could mean anything, but filtering the description for SO2 or HIPAA finds companies with compliance needs. This supports keywords and rejects, so you can get very precise about what you're looking for. Let's search with just these job filters and see what comes up. Reveal a company to unlock its profile. Name, domain, LinkedIn for 1 credit. But look at this one. It's a recruiting agency, not a direct employer. And some of these companies are tiny startups. Others are in industries I don't sell into. The job filters match correctly, but the companies behind them aren't all relevant. Let's fix that. First, set company type to direct employer. That removes all the recruiting agencies we just saw. Add an employees filter. I'll set 100 to 1,000 to target mid-market companies. Large enough to have budget, small enough to move fast. Add a company industry filter. I'll select technology and financial services to stay in verticals I sell into. And filter by HQ country. A US company might post jobs in India, so this is separate from where the job itself is located. Now hit search again, fewer results. But every single one is a direct employer in my target size, industry, and geography. Click any job title to see the full posting. Description, skills, salary, seniority, and a link to the original source. Click a company name to open their profile. You'll see headcount, revenue, funding, industry, and headquarters. This gives you everything you need for outreach: their size, growth stage, and what they're investing in. The Technologies tab shows the full tech stack with confidence levels and when each technology was first and last seen in their job postings. This is what makes job-based technographics powerful. Tools like built with scan websites, so they only see front-end tech. Job postings reveal internal tools, databases, CRMs, programming languages, that website scanners miss completely. Every company in these results fits our ICP. That first reveal helped us spot the noise. Now we know these results are worth exporting. Once you have your results, click Export. You can download as CSV, Excel, or push to external systems via webhook. Each option shows its cost and credits, so you know exactly what you're paying before you export. Or click Find people to look up contacts at these companies. We integrate with Apollo, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, LinkedIn Recruiter, and Contact Out. You can also click the API button to get the exact curl command for this search. Use it programmatically or plug it into Make or NAEN for automations. Save the search to reuse it later, set up daily or weekly email alerts for new matches, or push results to Slack in your CRM with webhooks. One more tip. Job technology finds jobs that mention a technology. Company technology finds all jobs at companies that use it. Use company technology plus a VP title to sell beyond engineering teams. And to avoid recontacting prospects, add exported companies to a list and exclude that list in your next search. That's how you search millions of job postings from 328,000 sources in one place. Try it free at theirstack.com. The link is in the description.